Hi, John again from Artistry in Glass. Today reporting the results of our tests to find the best aerosol spray paint for resilvering your mirror. Now, modern mirrors are manufactured by electroplating a thin layer of metal directly onto the glass. The silver layer is then protected from damage by a coat of paint. Now, silvering is very delicate and prone to damage, either by abrasion, that's scratching, or by condensation, for example water damage like black edge, or simply by the flaking of antique silver flakes. The result is that very few antique mirrors are perfect. So the question becomes, is my mirror worth resilvering? Our conclusion at Artistry in Glass is that mirrors are seldom worth professional resilvering. This is partly due to the expense. A large mirror has to be crated for shipping, and silvering shops are few and far between, so transportation is a big expense. Also, new mirrors are very affordable, as this table shows. So the only mirrors that are really worth resilvering are antique mirrors with engraving on the back, specially shaped complex mirrors like these Venetian style examples, or small hand mirrors which may have unique shapes. Now, although professional resilvering is difficult and expensive, acceptable results can be achieved, especially on small mirrors, with silver spray paint from the hardware store. And we tested 8 different paints to find the best products for hobbyists or do-it-yourselfers. Now, if you like this video, press the links below to subscribe to my channel. For our tests, we first removed the paint and silver from a standard 1/4-inch thick mirror. Step 1 in our testing was removing the paint, and we found out that modern paint is rather tough, so eco-friendly strippers do not work well. We recommend a strong paint stripper like 2-minute remover from the Sunnyside company, available at Ace Hardware or from Amazon. Then we used a silver remover composed of ferric chloride and distributed by Angel Gilding. See the links below this video for details. As you can see, the mirror silvering comes off very quickly. Now, this is the selection of paints that we tested for mirror quality. All of the products are conventional aerosol spray paints, except number 1 on the left, the Ultimate Mirror Chrome, which is a fluid designed for use by airbrush painting. Our initial tests were very interesting, because we found that most of the paints, when sprayed on glass, produced a pale silver, matte textured appearance, which was distinctly non-reflective. So paints 4 through 8 were ruled out for mirror resilvering. The top 3 paints were much better, each one producing a mirror finish, presumably due to the metallic aluminum being ground down to a finer grain size. In third place was Looking Glass brand from Krylon. This is our third pick because it forms a definite reflective surface, but is much less perfect than our top 2 choices. This might be an option for hobbyists looking for an antique or distressed looking mirror. Rust-Oleum Mirror Effect is a close second best for quality, but is our number 1 recommendation for value because the winner below is so much more expensive. We did find that the best quality mirror spray is Ultimate Mirror Chrome Airbrush Paint by Spastix. Now, this is really made for hobbyists to paint models rather than for silvering large mirrors, but if you have a small mirror and you know how to paint with an airbrush, then this paint will give the best results. So in conclusion, our recommended best paint for most mirror silvering is Mirror Effect by Rust-Oleum. It comes in 6-ounce cans and is sufficient to silver approximately 5 square feet of mirror. So good luck with all your silvering, and check the links below for much more information about mirrors from your specialists in reflection, Artistry in Glass, mirror experts since 1986. We're conveniently located opposite Winter Haven in Midtown Tucson, Arizona.